Industrial utilities in chemical plant. 25 questions and answer. What is industrial utilities section? Any chemical plant requires raw materials in order to produce final product. It also requires various other services called utilities for easily completing the process cycle. Utilities are essential services that play a vital role in chemical plant. Can you give some utilities name in heavy chemical industries? Desalinated water, demineralized water, closed cooling water, boiler feed water, sea water, steam, steam condensate, nitrogen, instrument air, working air, electricity, etc. What is desalinated water? Desalinated water is produced from sea water by removing saline in the desalination plant. Desalinated water is used to produce demineralized water and for all other domestic purposes to the plant. Desalination plant or sea water are sprayed in hot shell and tube pipe where tube inside having steam, so only clear water can evaporate. Then evaporate water will condense and collect it. What is demineralized water? Demineralized water is used to produce boiler feed water and all process requirement of the plant. Demin water is produced from desalination water. Dissolve ionic salt in water, which causes scaling and retardation of heat transfer efficiency in the steam generation facilities, is removed in the ion exchange resin beds in the Demin plant. Demineralization unit consists activated carbon filter, cation exchanger and anion exchanger. What is closed cooling water? The closed cooling water is used to cool the lube oil and seal oil in the compressor and bearing of the pump and drives. In the process plant, if need process fluid cool down, they are also using closed cooling water by heat exchange system. Closed cooling water is circulated in the plant different area and cooled through sea water / closed cooling water heat exchange, where the closed cooling water is cooled by sea water. Which are the chemicals used to treat the cooling water system? By adding dispersing agent or using as a corrosion inhibitor and as biocide in cooling water to control slime and algae. Example, Nalco 8539 corrosion inhibitor by make non-chrome film and Nalco 8514 biocide agent. What are the routine water analysis in closed cooling water system? Water analysis are parameter name is pH and approximate value 9.11, conductivity less than 3000 millisiemens, chloride less than 1 ppm, turbidity 2280 NTU, nitrite residual nitrate 300 to 400 ppm, biocide 100 ppm, oil less than 3 ppm, bacteria 1000 colonies per cc. What is the boiler feed water? From the demineralized Demin water removing dissolved oxygen, after that used as a boiler feed water. Boiler feed water is required to produce steam in the steam generator. Why need to remove dissolved oxygen from the boiler feed water? A mixture of oxygen and liquid water is the most corrosive combination in the universe. In addition, the corrosiveness in the mixture doubles for each 170 degrees Celsius increases in temperature. In the boiler feed water, dissolved oxygen should be nil. How to remove dissolved oxygen from boiler feed water? Dissolved oxygen are removed by physical and chemical method. Physical removal in a deaerator, chemical removal process. Trace of oxygen are removed by adding hydrogen chemical. Hydrogen react with the free oxygen in the water to form water and nitrogen according to the following reaction. Hydrogen react with oxygen and to form water and nitrogen. What is the function of physical deaerator? Deaerator is designed to expel out oxygen from the feed water by using steam. Deaeration is a physical process based on the decreasing of gas solubility in water when temperature increases. Released gas are discharged from the top. Water is sprayed into the steam space of the deaerator and steam given by the distribution tube. What is the value of oxygen percentage after deaerator? After thermal degasification, oxygen value around 0.02 mg per liter. Conductivity 0.2 microsiemens per centimeter. How to adjust pH in boiler feed water? Dilution ammonia are using as a pH adjuster. What is steam? Water having 4 stages: ice, liquid, vapor, ionized form. Steam is water in the gas phase, where heat is applied until water reaches the enthalpy of vaporization. Steam that is saturated or superheated is invisible. Steam is produced by boiler and used in process and driving the compressor and pumps. As per process requirements, steam produced like low pressure steam 500 kPa, medium pressure steam 5000 kPa, high pressure steam 11500 kPa. What is steam condensate? Steam condensate is from steam. After having performed its duty of giving heat, steam becomes steam condensate. Condensate is the liquid formed when steam passes from the vapor to the liquid state. Example: steam condensate from different heat exchanger, line jacketing and tracing to the steam condensate tank. Why are using steam condensate? So many purpose can be used like makeup purpose, flushing purpose, sealing for gland packing of various pump, finally sent to utility section for further use. What is nitrogen? Nitrogen is an inert gas for process requirement to prevent any formation of explosive gas. Nitrogen are used as a blanketing or purging purpose. Nitrogen is produced from air. Air contains nitrogen 78.8% by volume. Air is liquefied first and then distillation of liquefied air produce nitrogen gas. How the process description to produce nitrogen? Air is compressed and moisture in the air is removed in frozen refrigeration system and in the adsorber. Absorbers are filled with molecular sieve. Molecular sieves adsorb the moisture. Compressed air is then passed through the heat exchanger and cooled by the product nitrogen. Air is further cooled in liquefier by cold oxygen. Liquid oxygen from cold air is separated in column and pure gaseous nitrogen is cooled in condenser evaporator to liquid nitrogen and stored in liquid nitrogen storage tank. What is instrument air? Working air. Instrument air is used for transmitting signal of the process variables and to control the process parameter by the instrument. Working air is used for mechanical assistance, equipment cleaning, backup to nitrogen plant and backup to instrument air grid. What is the process description of instrument air or working air? The instrument air system consists air compressor, cooler and separator, air dryer and air filter. The air sucked from the atmosphere is compressed by the instrument air compressor. Discharged air transferred to the air dryer through the cooling filter. The dryer consists adsorber. The adsorbers are filled with molecular sieves which adsorb the moisture from the air. Due to the low humidity of the dried air, the moisture of dehiscent passes over the air till it reaches on equilibrium. The saturated air is then exhausted from the system. How instrument air quality maintained? By dew point. Dew point indicated with an instrument or laboratory person frequently measure dew point by the dew point meter. What is electricity? When electrical and magnetic force move electrons from one atom to another atom and electrical current is formed. How industrial electricity are produced. Several ways are there. Here I mention normally individual chemical plants are producing electricity by generator. The main sources of energy to drive the generator are gas, natural gas, that is called gas turbine generator. Each chemical plant needs certain amount of electricity that are producing or some input from government power distribution system. What is the function of seawater in chemical plant? Seawater will be used as a media for cooling of all turbine condenser, cooling of the closed cooling water system, HVAC system. Seawater pass through the screen in order to prevent bigger particles from the water. After that, by pump, sent to turbine condenser for heat exchange, then return to again sea. When circulating seawater to chemical plant, any problem arises and how to solve it. When seawater circulating will be happened, seawater marine growth and marine fouling in the seawater system. Sodium hypochlorite is used to kill marine growth and marine fouling in seawater system. Is it financially acceptable path for dosing sodium hypochlorite for ocean water framework or any elective route is there? Yes, it is not financially acceptable path. Yes, alternative path is there. We can produce sodium hypochlorite by electrochlorination unit. Seawater contains around 4 to 5% sodium chloride. In seawater, sodium chloride remains in ionic form as sodium and chloride. Water also partly remains in ionic as a hydrogen plus and OH minus. Sodium chloride, sodium plus chloride, water, hydrogen ion plus OH ion. When a small part of seawater from main circulation line passes through the electrolytic cell electrochlorination unit, following reaction take place. Anode reaction, chloride losing 2 electrons. Cathode reaction, in hydrogen gain 2 electrons. So finally, sodium plus hydroxide OH minus become sodium hydroxide. The following electrolyte mixes the anode and cathode product to form sodium hypochlorite and involve hydrogen as a byproduct. Sodium hydroxide plus chloride, sodium chloride plus sodium hypochlorite plus water will be formed. These produced sodium hypochlorite are used for maintain chloride level in seawater circulation system for protect marine growth and marine fouling. The concentration of 1.5 ppm white-based free chlorine required in seawater system. If chlorine level is more in system, then add sodium bisulfate into the seawater by the dechlorination unit. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.